What is up, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Jamaraly, and my channel is all about helping you start or grow your marketing agency or your own e-commerce store. Now, for those of you who are new to my channel and this is your first video that you are coming across, welcome. But I want you guys to know that I actually run my own e-commerce marketing agency as well as my own e-commerce store by the name of Colorlux, which is exactly why I am on here, and my channel is all about helping you. I share tips and strategies on how to help you build or grow your online business. So if you guys like the sound of that, then be sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already. Give this video a huge thumbs up and also turn on those post notifications wherever they are on the screen so that you guys are notified of each and every time that I post. Now, as you guys can tell by the title of this video, I will be sharing with you guys, I can't talk today, how you guys can actually spy on your competitors and do some competitive research when you are, looking to run ad campaigns. So I think this is such a great and neat tool that Facebook actually came out with. It's been a while that they've had this tool, but I'm here now, sharing it with you guys. However, obviously, as you guys know, I told you guys I have my own marketing agency, so this is definitely something that I utilize on a day-to-day basis, and I'm going to explain to you why. So the first thing that I want to share with you guys, if you guys don't already know about this tool, is that all you guys have to do is, type in your Google search, Facebook, let me go ahead and Facebook ad library. And it's as simple as that, and it's going to be the first thing that pops up on the Google search. All you have to do is click on it. And this tool right here is literally everything. It's amazing. You guys can literally search for any business or any of your competitors' ads and do competitive research on them. And what I mean by this is you can literally search for any page. So by category, where, based on whatever specific location that you guys are on. So I'm actually going to, I don't know why it looks different, but let me get out of here. So I'm gonna do all ads. And so literally you can search by niche, by industry, by specific business name. So I'm actually just gonna type in, just the beauty industry. And so there's a list of different, obviously businesses. So I'm just going to click on the first one that I see, beauty studio. And I'm going to just keep it here and I'm going to just explain some stuff to you. So how you guys might be asking how you guys can actually use this tool on a day-to-day basis or for you or for your agency if you guys have one. So you can, like I said, you can search in any specific business name based on whether it's a specific industry, whether it's health, fitness, beauty, granite company, whatever you guys are working in within your agency. Or you can type in a specific name, like whether or not you're going for, I don't know, BoxyCharm if you work with beauty industries. If you work with BoxyCharm or Ipsy or some sort of big name like that, you can literally type it into the search bar and it will pull up their business account for you and all the ads that they are actually running. So what you want to do is when you actually click or find a page that you're kind of wanting to do the competitive research on and see and check out what exactly it is that they are running as far as ad wise, all you want to do is you want to make sure that, I don't know if you saw it on the previous page or up here, is that you guys have all ads selected, because there's sometimes where depending on the time frame of when you guys are actually doing this, that there's already pre-programmed filters. Because I know a couple months ago, back when the election was going on, they had it already pre-programmed for all politics, like this one right here, the issues, election, and politics. And there was sometimes where you click on an actual business account and no ads will show and appear. So you just want to make sure that you have your filters corrected and it's presented with all ads. Just wanted to put that out there just so that if you do come across something like that and you search up, a competitor of yours and you see that they're not running any ads, that might be the reason or the case as to why. So just wanted to clarify that for you. So another cool feature of this is you can actually search by date, and I'm not sure why it's not showing it to you now unless they took it off. But anywho, this is what I'm talking about. We're on this page right here. You can see all the ads that this specific business is running. You can also see how many ads they're running as well, which this is huge. what you can also do with this benefit and this feature is you can actually price compare. So let's say if this is for your own business and you're doing your competitive research or researching, to gain some inspiration or some creatives for one of your clients, you can actually price compare on what this specific business is doing and match it with whatever you guys are doing, or, compete with whatever they're doing. You can also, compare their rates, their sales, their ad copies here, because you can obviously see that what they have here for their ad copy and what their messaging is. You can also see what type of creatives that they have going on as well that they're presenting to their audience, which is also a huge thing. And this is beneficial because obviously you can take this information and you can replicate it for not only your own ads, but also for your clients' ads, which is huge and such a benefit. I mean, it also helps you and alleviates some stress on the creative and the back end portion when it comes to actually creating the ads, because I know it's very lengthy. It takes some time and takes some creativity and some thought you have to put into it. But another thing is that another benefit to this is when you're actually outreaching to some clients. So let's say, for example, you are in the health and fitness niche, you can actually search in, or whatever business it is that you're going to be doing, like a Loom video, for example, like however way you actually outreach. But let's say if you are going to create a Loom video for one specific fitness industry. So I'm just going to type in fitness here and just click on any, for example, this one. So let's say if I'm going to actually reach out to this specific business right here, see ad details, I can actually see, or when I'm making my Loom video to send to this specific business page, I can actually go, I can talk like I'm doing to you guys, but towards obviously this business, and I can present to them, okay, this is your ads that you guys are running, this is how many ads that you guys are currently running, and you guys are, running into problems here. You guys can tweak, your ad copy a little bit better, or you guys can actually make this, a lead generation campaign or ad campaign and do this better. And I recommend you doing this X, Y, and Z. So you can actually do that in form of your outreaching, and this will actually benefit you a lot because most of the times the business that you're reaching out to has no idea that you can actually do this, and they'll also think like, wow, like that's crazy that they're able to see the actual ads that I'm running, and they'll appreciate the fact that you are giving and delivering them a lot of value when it comes to tweaking and auditing the ads that they are currently running. Because again, like I always say in my previous videos, whenever you are outreaching or you're just discussing any type of business or conversating with any type of business, the number one thing that you want to do is you want to deliver that value added content. You want to be able to deliver them, with value and for informative information that can be of value to them, that they can either implement or, reach out to you if they can't do it themselves. But they'll appreciate the fact that you're actually opening up to them and not just, hey, trying to be salesy. They will appreciate the fact that you are trying to help them and deliver them value just through a video or just through your outreach process. So I highly recommend that you do that if you guys are, trying to gain some social media marketing clients within your business or whatever it is that you guys are doing. That is a great option as to how you can approach your outreaching method. So highly recommend you do that. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. I didn't want to make this video lengthy, but it's a great tool, and I wanted to make sure that I, included this here on my channel some way or somehow, because I feel like a lot of people don't actually know about this tool. And again, I feel like it is super, super beneficial. I mean, as you guys can see, you guys can literally do competitive research. You can see and spy on your competitors, any type of business or any type of industry, as to what ads they're running, how long that they've been running their ads for, and how many ads that they're running, because that is also important. If you guys are aware of how many ads one business is running is key. I mean, it's important to know everything, the messaging that they, have, how they're driving their traffic, where they're driving their traffic to, the landing pages. I mean, you can see all those details all through the Facebook ad library. So that being said, I'm just going to cut it right here. I hope I was able to help you guys, or, allow you guys to learn one new thing today. Because I know when I first came across this and learned this, I mean, it was huge, and it was like such a huge pointing change in time for Jonathan and I with our agency, because it was like, wow, like we can actually gain inspiration and we can see what our competitors are doing and match it or do better. So again, with that being said, I'm just going to conclude the video right here. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you found it helpful and valuable, and you know, it helped you in one way or another. And again, as always, if you guys did find this video helpful, please be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already. Also, comment down below what you guys would like to see next. And as always, thank you guys so much for sticking around and watching this video and all of my videos, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.